Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Makeup. Let's go to the next question, which will be number 6. And it's, if there is any kind of makeup you can't leave the house without. Yeah, there is. I can say there's 2 things, but the first thing now, this moment, is lip balm. I can't leave the house without the lip balm. I must apply lip balm, especially in winter time, because I have, like, in the winter I just have a really flaky, really dry lips. So lip balm is one of my first things I have to apply before I leave the house. So if I'm gonna pick something else, I will take mascara because it really changed the look of my eye when I apply just a very light coat of mascara, because my eyelash is a little bit like kind of a golden brown color, so black mascara, even very slight coat, like change how my lashes look, makes it like look so black and like more visible. So if I'm gonna pick 2, lip balm and mascara, I can't leave the house without. So this is for this question. So let's go to the next one in next video. I'm gonna see you soon. Bye.